Ah, there's gotta be an easier way.
What's up, you guys? Hope you're doing well. I'm going to make this short and sweet. I'm going to get right to the quick tip here on how to minimize your music window faster while driving.
Alright, to make your life easier with the music window, just simply tap on the album icon. Boom, one time. Boom, again, goes all the way up. Hit the album again, goes all the way down. If you want to go all the way to the top immediately, just double tap, and it opens all the way up. One tap all the way down. Super easy, way better than dragging up and down. So there's my quick tip, guys. Done.
There you guys have it. That's my short and sweet quick tip video. As always, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe below, and check out my other videos coming up here in a sec. Take care.